Hey, what's up you guys? It's Megan and welcome to this video. I know I haven't done one in a while, but today is very special because I wanted to share with you that Shopee will be having a mystery box special this March 15. Now, what is inside a mystery box? It is Shopee's new concept where you can get 10 handpicked items from their overseas collection up to 80% off the original price. It will be available in 5 different themes. They have his, hers, baby, home, and gadgets. So just a little treat for you. I have 2 boxes here with me right now, and one is for me to unbox and one will be for a giveaway. Yay! Okay, so yun na nga, very exciting. All the mechanics of the giveaway will be down below. If you want to continue on to see what is inside the mystery box that I got, then watch on to the next clip to see what is inside. Okay, so ready na ba kayo to unbox the mystery box with me? So the one I have 2 boxes and one will be for the giveaway. So ayan. So I have 2 big boxes, ganitong size. This is the one for giveaway. It is labeled as for giveaway. So what I have with me, I believe naka-open na siya kasi I had to get the instructions inside. My instructions kasi ako inside. I think it's a hers box because the first item that I saw is this little crop top. Cute naman. I think it's a tie back one. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Ayan. And then you tie it at the back. That's very cute. And then up next, it looks like an underwear set. So if you watch the first part of the video, then you would know that this is a it's very random. So I guess size-wise also, I don't know if you will get the right size, but that's the fun of it. And also, if you're one of the first 3 to get the mystery box or to buy the mystery box, then you get it for 30 pesos. So sulit na din, diba? If it doesn't fit you, pang gift mo na yan. What else is in my mystery box? Oh wow. Ano to? It's from a brand called Zaful. Zaful, ayan. Because the items are from the overseas collection, right? So I have different items. So up next, this is, oh, that's so cute. This is a bikini. Okay, I love it. I love it already. I love my mystery box. It's so cute. Ganyan pala yung style. Okay, I've always wanted one na ganito style. I love it. I love it. I'm keeping it. Ah, that's so nice. And it's semi-high waist. I like it. Because if it's semi-high waist, then I can also use it for pole. And then, so ilan na yun? 3. 3, so 7 more. Matagal pala tong unboxing ko, no? Next, we have a... What is this? Ano to? Leggings! Oh my gosh, leggings! I love it. Yan. Yan, leggings. Cute. Ta-da! 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 Yan. Okay. 4th item is done. Now, to the 5th. Ang dami guys. Naluloka ako. 5th item is a... I think, makeup? Makeup yata, guys. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Makeup item. But, falsies. Ang ganda. Pero bakit siya maliit? Oh my gosh. Ito yung magnetic falsies ba? Ba't ganon? Paano to? Paano gamitin to? Obviously, I'm not a beauty vlogger. But I think it is the magnetic one. It is! Oh my god, kumabit siya! Paano ko gagawin? Ganun? Hala, wait. Paano ba to? Ay, baliktad pala yung kinabit ko. Ganyan ba? Okay, joke lang. Ayusin ko to. Hindi ako marunong eh. I'm not a beauty expert. So, I'll fix this. I'll try it. But I do love it so far. I really do love the mystery box so far. Yeah. So far I have fashion and then one beauty item. Up next I have another fashion item. I guess this is a top or a shirt. Oh, it's a long sleeve top. Ayan. Cute. Ayan. Although I might just give this as a gift kasi it's not really my style. Pero at least, diba? So you can either decide to keep it for yourself or give it as a gift. Oh my gosh. Ito for sure. For sure I'm keeping. Hoops, man. Hoops for days. Ang dami. Fashion jewelry. Nakakaloka. What am I gonna do? Ilan ba yung tenga ko? Ilan ba yung butas ng tenga ko? Ayan o, proof. Proof that this is for me. Ayan. Pack. Ganon. Hoops. Okay. Malapit na tayo matapos. Up next, I got a... I don't know what this is. Eyeliner stickers. Stickies. Eyeliner stickies. How do I do it? Oh, it's quick eyeliner stickies na will help you either achieve a cat eye, thin liner, extravagant eyeliner, double eyeliner, fishtail eyeliner. Fishtail eyeliner. Okay. Galing. Okay. Para sa mga hindi beauty experts out there or beauty enthusiasts, ito, very helpful. Ay, baliktad. Very helpful. Malapit na, guys. Malapit na. And then, I have this item. I'm not sure what it is. It's in another language. Ooh, ano to? I think it's pigment. As in eyeshadow pigment or highlighter. It might be highlighter. Look at it. Ayan, ganyan siya. I think it might be highlighter. But it's so colorful though. As in all the colors are... That's not a highlighter, is it? Shucks, di ko matanggal. Ayoko, baka masira ako. So, ayun, just as a recap of what I got the crop top with the tie back. And then, I also got the underwear set. 2. Item number 2. Item number 3 is the bikini. Ayan. Item number 4 is leggings. Item number 5, hoop earrings. So exciting. Item number 6, the magnetic eyelashes. Item number 7 is the shirt, the long sleeve shirt. Item number 8, the eyeliner guide stickies. And item number 9 is this shimmer pot. Number 10 item is... It is an eyebrow seal, powder seal. Ayan. It is from the brand Lizzie. Yeah, Lizzie. So, Lizzie nga, kasi L-E-E-Z-I. Ayan, so eyebrow makeup. That's exciting because kilay is life. Yan. Okay. Oh, that's nice. This is a cute one. So you have the sponge at the end and then the angled brush on the other side, on the other end. And then you also have the option of stamping your eyebrows. So this is how it came. Nakaganyan siya. So it was like that. And then the applicator was on top. And then, so underneath is where I guess the product is. So I'll just remove these para hindi siya tumalsik. Medyo mas light siya sa hair color ko. I don't know, I might give this to other friends who have lighter hair than me, because I have friends who love coloring their hair and mine is just like a bit of a dark brown right now. So that is it for the 10 items that I got from Shopee's mystery box. Now, if you guys want to avail of the mystery box, it is available on March 15. And if you are one of the first 3 to get or buy the mystery box, then you can buy it at 30 pesos lang. Otherwise, you can still get it at 80% off the original price. So sulit na sulit pa din for 10 items. I got a lot of like items that I actually will use. And of course, as I said, I do have a second box here. And I do have a second box here, which will be for a giveaway. Now, if you guys want to join, you just have to check out my Instagram caption to see the mechanics on what you need to do in order to qualify for the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Bye!